Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the outro for Ivy by Taylor Swift. Okay, now it's a bit complicated. It has a lot of passing chords, but we're using basic chords, and it's the same. If you watch the actual interpretation that I did, then this will be really easy. It's just that I didn't put it in that video because I didn't know it was there. So one of y'all put it in the comment section and they said, please give me the chords for the outro. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Starting from the part where she says, so yeah, it's fire. So now I'm covered in you, okay? So let's just jump right there. So make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and your capo's on fret number 2. Okay, so we're going, so yeah, it's fire, so goddamn, you started it. Alright, so that's A minor, that's C, sorry. Let's play the chords so that I tell you. Okay, so the chords are C, F, alright, so it's just, so yeah, it's right. Then back to C. You started it. Okay, so that's A minor. Sorry, that's C. It's right. And then F. G. And then back to C. G. Okay, let's do that again. It's C. Na na. F. G. And then C again. So let's go on. Okay, so there's a part that she goes, so I can, oh, I can, right? So that's A minor, E minor, C, D minor, okay? Let's do that again. A minor, E minor. So for your bass, you're using string number 5 for these chords. A minor, E minor instead of the 6th. We're using the 5th. And then C, and then D minor. Now the bass for D minor is the 4th string. Okay, so and then alright, so let's just rewind and play that whole part together, okay? From so yeah, it's a war. Hold on. You started it. Alright, so we're playing A minor, E minor, C, D minor, and then we go again, A minor, E minor, C, and then we stay on C. That's the in U part, okay? And then for the in U part, we're going. So this is just C, A minor, G, okay? So that's C, A minor, and then G, okay? And if you're more interested in the strums, you can check out my strumming and percussion video. I did a video on that. If you can't find it, let me know. I will link it in the description. And if you're looking for the chords for the rest of the song, I did a chord video. But if you're looking for how to hold the chords, I did an interpretation. if you're looking for the chords for the whole song. And then if you're looking to learn how to hold the chords, I have a chord video on that. So just let me know in the comment section what it is that you need, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this, leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.